Take you the amount daily routine. I get at 40 day a.m. I take a shower in. I have fresh cards. I'm 4:45. I come to work. I'm 5 in the morning. And I write and they mine until 30. Archered scars in escarbit excavator and studied to charts and signer Thursday, Amsterdam and half. I am lunch, very beans, slim words and discard and his work at 7. In the evening, I have in the delivery. I have on the diviner 8. Starting from 8 to 11 and 20 and shower to 3 and 11 to 5 live. This is to my routine for morning for the to soccer for the in the to soccer. Mhm.